Hello, everybody. Hello, 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 hello. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. If you're watching me live, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of 5. I'm a meditation guide. I'm an author of books for big and little readers. That means adults and little people. Children. And I'm so happy that you're here today. This is a meditation by requests. So first of all, I love, love, love when you comment with your feedback, when you just tell me where you're from, how you're doing, how you're faring this really weird, scary, overwhelming time with this global pandemic. I can't even believe those words are coming out of my mouth, but they are. And I love your requests. So definitely comment below with any meditations that you'd like. What else? Oh, I have some books that I want to give away to you. So the digital version of 3 of 4 of my books, You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, Managing the Motherload, which is a book about motherhood for moms, and Zara's Big Messy Day That Turned Out Okay. That is my meditation and mindfulness book for little ones. They are all available for free. And this one, you get a whole digital bundle with the Spanish translation and coloring pages and an emotions chart, lots of goodies for you to download and print and share with your little ones. Good morning, Laura. Thank you for joining me. So those are free, and you can find those links in the video description, along with some other links for some good stuff that I have for you. And yeah, let's get to the meditation. Today is a meditation for kids, but stick around because you'll like this one too, adults. It'll bring out the childlike wonder in you, and it'll help you to navigate this stressful time in kind of like a less serious way, because we don't always have to be serious. It's good to laugh. It's good to smile. It's good to indulge in the things that give us comfort, like sugary, salty kettle corn that my 16-year-old's been making for us, and fun movies and cartoons and macaroni and cheese and all the things that just make you feel like you're safe, that bring you back to a place where you found happiness. You should be doing all of those things right now, definitely. It's really great self-care. It's not just bubble baths and meditation. Like, there's other things that can make you feel good. But yeah, let's do this meditation. So if you don't have a little one with you, watch this in replay. Those of you on IGTV and YouTube are already watching this in replay. And just, keep it bookmarked and bring it back around whenever you need it. One more thing, with the Zara's Big Messy Day digital bundle, you're going to get an exclusive meditation for kids that expands on the meditation that I offer in the book. So definitely get that, and you can put it on your iPhone. I almost said iPod because I'm 100 years old, and listen to it again and again. Here we go, folks. Here we go. So I'm talking to the little ones out there and the big ones who are young at heart. Meditation is really easy, really easy. It's just about getting quiet. You can do that for just a few minutes. We're only going to do this for a couple minutes today. Getting quiet and kind of getting away from all the craziness that's around you. Yeah, because I bet there's a lot going on right now, especially if you're not in school and you're home all day. There's a lot of noise. There's a lot of confusing stuff. There's a lot of doing schoolwork at home, which you're not used to doing. So we're just going to step away from all that and have a little moment of playing pretend and of breathing. It's going to be good. So see if you could take the biggest breath ever with me. You can have your eyes opened or closed, whatever feels good for you. So we're going to take a big breath in through our noses and then blow it out. Good job. Let's try that one more time. Big breath in. Big as you can, and blow it out. Let's try a little experiment. I want you to put your hands on your belly, and when you breathe in, I want your belly to get big and round like a basketball. Breathe it in. Air all the way out in your belly, stick it out far, and blow it out. And your basketball shrinks. All the air comes out. One more time, breathe it in, make your belly like a basketball. And breathe it out. Easy peasy. So that's the first step of meditating. You just have to learn to breathe and pay attention to your breathing. And learning to breathe is easy because you know how to do it already. So when we pay attention to our breathing, when we pay attention how we breathe in and we pay attention how we breathe out, it helps our mind get off of all the things that were bothering us or stressing us out or making us upset or nervous or worried. I'm sure you have lots and lots of words that you can add to that list. And it just lets us think about breathing, which is easy to do. So every time you start to feel a little stressed out or worried, just think about your breath. Watch it go in and out. Good job. So you all know what glitter is, right? Y'all know what glitter is? So we're going to play with some magical glitter today. We're going to imagine that there's glitter floating all around us. So we're sitting like kind of in the middle of a snow globe. You know what a snow globe is when you shake it up and the snow goes everywhere? We're going to imagine that we're kind of sitting in a snow globe filled with magical, colorful, rainbow-colored glitter. And it's floating all around us. And that glitter is good feelings. That glitter makes us feel good when it comes into our body and it goes all around into our heads and our hearts and our bellies, all the way into our fingers and our toes. It's going to make you feel tingly and happy and filled with good feelings. So every time we breathe in, all that glitter that's around us is going to come into our bodies and travel into all the places, all the way down to our fingers and toes, to the tippy top of our heads, all the way down to our bottoms. Yes, you have glitter in your bottom. So we're going to practice this. Imagine the glitter floating all around, and when you take a big breath in, the glitter comes in through your nose and goes all over your body, filling you with good feelings. Okay, let's imagine that together. Got it in your head? Okay, let's breathe in the glitter. Oh, it's tingly. It's filling us with good feelings. And then we blow it out. It's floating all around us again. That was fun. I think we could do even a better job imagining with this next breath. Okay? So the glitter's floating all around us. It's filled with tingly good feelings. We're going to breathe it in through our nose. Oh, we're filled with glitter. We're so bright and shiny, and we're going to blow it back out. And it's floating all around us again. Glitter is everywhere. Now, if you don't love glitter, which is okay, I don't know why you wouldn't. I love glitter. You can imagine that there are butterflies floating all around you, or sparkly hearts. Anything that makes you feel happy. Anything that's pretty. Flowers. Fireflies. Lightning bugs. We call them lightning bugs where I live, which I think is a really cool name for bugs. You know, their butts light up. So anything you want, just floating all around you. Sparkling, lighting up, flapping wings. Let's see if we could do this one more time, just to really fill our bodies up with good feelings. Just do this with me one more time. So imagine whatever you'd like floating all around you, sparkling, fluttering, looking beautiful, butts lighting up, whatever it is. And inhale, bring it all in. And you're feeling tingly and filled with good feelings, and blow it all out again. Good job. Good job. So before we go back to whatever we got to do, our chores, our homework, playing video games, whatever you have to do after this, I want you to take your hands on your belly one more time. We're going to fill our bellies up with air one more time. Breathe in, make your belly big and round like a basketball. And blow out. Your basketball shrinks. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Notice how good you feel right now. Notice how good it feels to meditate and think good thoughts. Think happy thoughts. Think beautiful thoughts. And then slowly, I want you to open your eyes. Just flutter them open like butterfly wings. And we're back. It was so easy. It was so easy. And you did such a great job. You did such a great job. And that's all you need to do to feel better. Sometimes when, like sometimes your breath gets really short and you're like, because you're nervous or you're upset. All you need to do is pay attention to your breath, see yourself doing this, and then focus and say, okay, if I take a big breath in really slow and I blow it out really slow, that will help slow it down. That'll help me to feel just a little bit better. And if you keep doing that, you'll feel better and better and better until the is completely gone. And it's always good to get some help when you want to do this. If you're really scared or you're really nervous and you can't calm down, you get someone to breathe with you. Like I'll breathe with you, your mom or dad or your grandpa or your grandmom or your older sister or brother. You can ask them to breathe with you. And you just look at the person and you say, okay, we're going to breathe together. We're going to breathe in through our nose and then we're going to blow out. And every time you can imagine the glitter, you can imagine the butterflies, whatever it is that makes you feel good. Breathing will always make you feel better. It will, believe it. Breathing and paying attention and really watching your breath go in and out will always make you feel better. Because your breath is there to remind you that you're healthy and you're strong, right? That you're healthy and you're strong, and it's always easy to bring in good feelings. Your breath will always help you bring in good feelings. And if you have a lot of bad stuff inside still, and the good feelings aren't helping as much, imagine when you're blowing out that you're blowing out the bad stuff. So you could even say something like, in with the good feelings, out with the icky feelings. Get out, get out, get out. In with the good feelings, out with the icky feelings. Just like that. So I want to say hi to everybody that's joining me today. For the adults, do you remember, what was the show called? Romper Room, when she looked through the mirror at the end, and the magical mirror, and she could see all the kids out in, TV land. And I always wanted her to say Rebekah, and she never did. Well, I'm going to do this for you that are watching right now. So I'm going to say hello to Barbie and Carol and Allie and Laura. I see you and I love you. And to all of you little ones out there that are watching, I don't know you, but I like you a lot. I like you a whole lot. I like you, I like you, I like you. And if you'll let me say it, I love you, I love you, I love you. Because I have big love for all of you who meditate with me. And I also want to say 3 times, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because I really appreciate that you're doing something nice for yourself. Meditation is something that, it's like a present, a present that you give to yourself. And I want you to do that every single day. I want you to breathe deep. I want you to think happy thoughts, things that make you feel good. And that makes me feel good when you do that for yourself. So I'll see you around. I got a little tickle in my throat. I'll see you around. And put your requests if you want me to make another meditation for you, or if you're having trouble with anything, or if you just want to say hi or tell me where you're from, put that in the comments. And remember, for all of you big people out there, follow the links in the video description. I'm giving away my books for free. The one for your little ones comes with all kinds of really, really great stuff and in a Spanish translation. And if you don't speak Spanish, it sounds really cute and it's a good way to learn. I'm learning Spanish by reading the Spanish translation of my book. So you can practice that too with your little ones. I love you. I'll see you.